class 4 GK. Okay, let's start now. Class 4 GK. So today we'll do lesson 7. So write the date, all of you. 14/5/20. Today we'll do what? Lesson 7. Now see. Folk art painting in India. Folk means traditional or tradition. Okay, traditional paintings. All traditional paintings of India now. Folk art paintings in India. Now see. Let's start. Now folk art painting, okay, there are different types of painting, okay, all ancient times many paintings are there. Okay, now let us read now what are types of painting. Now folk art painting are pictorial form based on epic narrated from Ramayana, Mahabharata, Puranas and so on. Now folk art paintings, what folk art painting is a pictorial form. Pictorial form means picture type of picture form. You can see the pictures in the painting. Folk art painting are pictorial forms based on epic narrated from the Ramayana. No, it's a picture form of painting from where? From epics. Epics means what? Epic means the Ramayana, Mahabharata, these are the epics, and Puranas and so on. Okay. Folk paintings, now folk paintings used, okay, folk paintings use vibrant and natural color. They use bright and natural colors they use. Okay, papers, clothes, leaves, earthen pots, mud, walls, etc. used as canvas. Canvas means what? The place where you draw. Suppose if I ask you to draw a painting or a picture, what you'll do? You'll take a page or a copy, white page or a white copy, you will draw there. But here the place where you draw, that is the canvas. But here the canvas, the place was what? Paper. They used to draw on paper, white pages. Cloths means any piece of cloth. They used to draw on piece of cloths. Leaves, tree leaves. Earthen pot means mud pots. In the mud form, mud pots. Okay, mud pots are there. Walls. Okay, so where they used to draw? They used to draw on paper, clothes, leaves, earthen pots, that is mud pot. Okay, mud forms, walls, all these things. Okay, clear? Paper, clothes, leaves, earthen pots and mud walls, etc. They used to draw there. They used to do the paintings there. Are used as canvas. They used to use that as canvas, place for painting. Okay. Indian folk art painting includes various local arts form that have been in practice since ancient time. Now, Indian traditional paintings, Indian folk paintings are art prints include what? Include what? Local various local art forms. Okay, various local art forms they include now, which they practice not from now but from the ancient times, means the previous days before, long times, time before they used to practice all these things, paintings. Now, there are different type of paintings. Let us see. There are few names of paintings are given. Fath painting, Walri painting, Madhubani painting, Patachitra painting, Tanjore work, Kalamkari, Pata painting. Okay, Pata means leaves, Pithora, etc. This is the name of some paintings. Worli, Patachitro, Madhubani, Kalamkari, this is the name of some paintings name. Okay, etc. are some of the famous folk art painting. They are what? Traditional art painting of India. If you ask to name 4 famous folk art painting of India, you will write Kalamkari, Patachitra, Tanjore, Madhubani, Walri, this all. Okay, 4 famous folk art paintings. Okay, folk art paintings of India. If you ask any 4 or any 5, you can write from here. Okay, let us see what type of painting are there. Now this number 1 is what? Tanjore painting. I told you this is the type. So that, see the type of painting. This is what? Tanjore painting. Tanjore painting. Next is Fath painting. Fath. See the picture. It's this type of painting is known as Fath painting. Fath painting. Next, this is Worli painting. We have seen here few times. See, Worli painting. This is called Worli painting. Next is Patachitra painting. See, leaves are there. So this is Patachitra painting. Okay. Next is Rajasthani painting. See the drawing. This is Rajasthani painting. See, this is Mughal painting. Mughals wear this type of dress. See, they are wearing this type of dress. Okay. So this is what? Mughal painting. This is Kangra painting. What is Kangra painting? See, this is Kangra painting. Kangra painting. Next is Madhubani painting. This is what? Madhubani painting. This type of painting is called Madhubani. Next is Kalamkari painting. Kalamkari painting. This type of painting is Kalamkari painting. Find out some of other folk art traditions of India and discuss it in your class. Okay, there's nothing now. So what are the few types of painting? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Tanjore painting, Foth painting, Walri painting, Patachitra painting, Rajasthani painting, Mughal painting, Kangra painting, Madhubani painting and Kalamkari painting. If I ask you write 5 names of painting, folk art paintings, write 5 names of folk art paintings, and what you write? You write any 5 names from here. You can write Kalamkari, Madhubani, Kangra, Rajasthani, Mughal, any 5 from here. Okay, any 5 from here. Clear? This one you just know. You just know the names and see the type of painting. Okay, you just know the names and see the type of painting here. Clear? Just know the names and see the type of painting. There are many types of painting. These are from the epics of Ramayana, Mahabharata, okay, and Puranas. Okay, ancient time people used to paint like this. And what were the place they used to draw? Which place they used to draw? What was their canvas? Our canvas is paper. Okay, but there that time the canvas was the thing where they used to draw was wall. They used to paint on walls, paper, clothes, leaves. Earthen pot means mud pots, mud, all these things they used to use as their canvas. Clear? Where they used to draw on these places. Clear? So know the names of all painting. Clear? For today, this much. Thank you.